So now in this video, we're going to take a look at the difference between stroma and parenchyma. Now in this, what we're talking about here, this is an example of a liver, for example, for a very crude drawing here, but this is an example of a liver. Now the difference between stroma and parenchyma, stroma, this provides the support for the organ. And we also want to remember that with most of the organs in the human body, they contain the four types of tissues. So the epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscular tissue. Now, of course, each organ contains these type of tissues in different proportions, just to be clear. But generally, all the organs have these type of tissues all mixed inside, for example, this liver, and it has in various proportions. Now, so again, to remember the point here is, first of all, when you have this liver, you have all kind of stuff around it. You got connective tissue, you got muscle, you got all kind of stuff around this liver. All of the supportive stuff for this liver is called the stroma collectively. So you could have some support for that organ. That can be a little bit of epithelial, a little bit of nervous, a little bit of muscular, a little bit of connective. That can all be a part of the stroma, but it provides the support for the organ. The parenchyma, of course, the location of these stroma and the parenchyma is different for each organ, but the parenchyma is the part of the organ that provides the function of the organ. So if the main function of the organ, as in the liver's case, is generally to detox and filter, if the main function of the liver is to filter, the location of where the main filtering process happens is called the parenchyma. And again, that's different for each organ. So the liver might have the parenchyma might be here, and then all of the rest of the organ is considered the stroma. So you might have the parenchyma here. That's where the main headquarters, the sort of Washington, D.C. of the organ is located. That's where the main function of everything else is happening, is going. And that's the parenchyma. So that's the main difference. And you want to think about this almost kind of like a lawyer-paralegal relationship. Sort of the lawyer is sort of the parenchyma, and the stroma is sort of the paralegals and the office staff. So the parenchyma is where all of the functioning, or all the money that's being generated for the law firm is coming in. It's coming in through the lawyers. That's what the main function and breadth of the office is. But the stroma provide all of the support, and both need each other.